How to order food for delivery via Yelp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you too hungry to go out? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to order food for delivery right from the Yelp app in just few simple taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Yelp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the search bar and simply search for what you are craving right now, like burgers, pizza, sushi, or you can just type any food delivery. And here, once you are on the result page, you can just tap on the filters icon at the top, and there you can simply scroll down and check for the offers delivery. And after that, you can just tap on apply. And now here, once you search for it, it will update the search result. So here you can browse through the list and pick a restaurant that looks good. And after that, you can just tap on any listing to check the menus, reviews, and the delivery details. And if the place supports delivery, you'll see a button that says order delivery or start order. So just tap that to begin. And after that, you can go through the menu and add your favorite item to cart. And after that, you can customize dishes just like you would in any food app. And when you are ready, you can just tap checkout, and after that your delivery address, and after that you can just choose a payment method and confirm your order. And here some restaurants let you track your order in real time, or you'll get a confirmation message with estimated delivery time. And that's it. Ordering delivery on Yelp is quick, easy, and super convenient. And your next meal is just a few taps away. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.